Visual English Lab.
Visual English Lab.
These are daily routines. In the morning, I wake up. Then I eat breakfast. At night, I go to bed. What do you do every day? We use these words to say how often. I always check my phone. I usually walk in the park. I never eat spiders. It is a habit. We used to for habits in the past that are not true now. For example, I used to eat junk food, but now I eat salad. To get used to something means to become comfortable with it over time. I am getting used to the noise in the big city. It's okay now. For routines, we say, I work, you work, we work. But for he, she, or it, we add an S. He works, she works. When the long hand is on the 12, we say o'clock. The clock shows it is 9 o'clock. It can be 3 o'clock or 10 o'clock. Use at for time, at 7 a.m. Use on for days, on Friday. Use in for longer periods, like months or years, in August. Phrasal verbs are common in daily routines. I get up in the morning. I go out with friends on the weekend. There are verbs with 2 words. Use wish, would to complain about something you want to stop. The tap is dripping. I wish it would stop. I wish you would be quiet. There are 7 days in the week. They are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. My favorite day is Saturday.